In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Pi Network account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Pi Network application, and you'll notice that you'll get two options that does say continue with Facebook or continue with phone number. Now this will depend on how you made your Pi Network account. So if you created your Pi Network account using your Facebook account, then you want to go ahead and press on continue with Facebook. But if you created your Pi Network account with a phone number, then you want to go ahead and select on continue with phone number. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and select on continue with phone number. From here, you want to go ahead and select on your country or region. So for me, I am in the United States, and then I'm going to go ahead and just enter it in really quickly. All right, now here's where things get really important. Now it will give you this option over here that does say enter your password. So you need to go ahead and enter in your password. However, if you've forgotten your password, do not worry because we have this option over here that does say password forgotten. So let's go ahead and press on that. Then we need to go ahead and press on recover account. So for the password recovery process, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and basically do the process again. So go ahead and enter in your phone number, but make sure to go ahead and select on your country beforehand. Okay, so now it is going to make you do a text verification code. So you will need to send a text to their verification service. So go ahead and press on open SMS. Go ahead and press on open SMS one more time. And now it is going to open up your messaging application like so. And basically you need to go ahead and send over this code over to the phone number that it is going to give you. So let's just go ahead and press on send. And then there you go. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and return back to the Pi Network application. And now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and wait for the verification. And then it will say success. Your account has been successfully unlocked. So now we need to go ahead and press on this button that does say set up a new password. Now from here, we can go ahead and enter in a brand new password that we can use in order to actually go ahead and log in. And once you change your password, then you should be good to go. And then you can go ahead and log in one more time. I actually don't want to change my password. However, if you want to recover your account, all you need to do is just change your password and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.